Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make curried sausages. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 kilo of sausages. You can use any sausage of your choice. 4 cups of hot water, 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of white vinegar. You will also need some oil for cooking, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 green apple cut into small pieces, 4 medium carrots thinly sliced, 2 cups of frozen green peas, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed dried herbs, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chicken seasoning or 2 chicken stock cubes, 2.5 cups of hot water, 3 tablespoons of plain flour and 1/4 cup of water. To cook the sausages, put a pan on medium heat, add sausages, vinegar, salt and water and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, put a lid on, lower the heat and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain all the water from the sausages and put it aside. To make the curry, take another pan, put it on medium heat, add butter and oil and heat it until the butter has melted and the oil is hot. Add onions and chopped apples, give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Add mixed dried herbs, pepper, turmeric, curry powder and salt. Give it a mix, lower the heat and cook it for 1 minute, giving it a mix continuously to stop the spices from burning. After 1 minute, add chicken seasoning or chicken stock cubes and boiling water. Give it a mix, put the lid on, increase the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, add carrots, give it a mix, put the lid on and let it cook while you chop the sausages. Now add the sausages, give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add frozen peas, give it a mix, put the lid on and cook it for 2 minutes. To thicken the curry slightly, mix flour and water together until smooth. Take some liquid from the curry and mix it with the flour mixture and add it back into the curry. Mix it well and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt. You can always add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My curried sausages are ready. You can eat them with some mashed potatoes, rice, pasta or some hot chips. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.